Hi everyone, welcome to this overview of the Telebroad Desktop App. Telebroad is an advanced communication and collaboration platform designed to streamline business interactions. Whether you need to make calls, send messages, manage voicemails, or handle faxes, this platform has you covered, all in one place. In this video, I'll walk you through all the key features and functionalities of the Telebroad Desktop app. For this demo, I'll be using a Mac, but the experience is very similar on Windows and Linux. Let's dive in. When launching the Telebroad Desktop app, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface designed for easy access. On the left side, we have the main navigation bar, which provides quick access to phone calls, view call history, and manage active calls. Messages, send and receive SMS with enhanced chat features. Voicemails, listen to, transcribe, and assign voicemails. Faxes, manage fax communications. Team and direct chats, collaborate with your colleagues. Contacts, access company-wide or personal contacts. Settings, customize preferences and configure account details. This layout ensures that all communication tools are easily accessible from one centralized location. At the top toolbar of the app, you'll find a powerful universal search bar. Simply click on the search field and type your query to quickly find calls, messages, contacts, voicemails, or chats. The app instantly displays results organized by type, allowing you to access the information you need without navigating through multiple sections. Now, let's start with making and managing phone calls. Clicking on the Calls tab opens up your call history, where you can see all incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Each entry provides the caller's name or number, the date and time of the call duration details, options to redial, block, or delete calls. To start a new call, click Start Call. Type in a phone number or search for a saved contact. Click the contact's name to populate the number and initiate the call. Once you're on a call, you'll have several control options: mute, unmute to manage audio, hold to pause the call, DTMF keypad for interacting with automated systems. Call transfer options: blind transfer directly transfers the call to another contact, smart transfer checks availability before transferring, conference calling, add another participant for multi-person calls. These features help you stay productive and manage calls efficiently. The Messages section allows users to send and receive SMS messages directly within the app. On the left side, you'll see a list of all conversations you are a member of, the assigned conversation status, unread message indicators for easy tracking. To reply to a message, select a conversation, type your response at the bottom, press Enter or click Send, or you may schedule the reply to be sent at a later time. Additional messaging features: quick responses, preset replies to save time. Attachments, upload and share images and files. Emojis, insert emojis to enhance your messages. Assign conversations, delegate chats to team members for better workflow. Click Resolve when the conversation has been successfully completed. Switch outgoing numbers, use different numbers for different messages. To start a new chat, click Start Conversation. Enter the recipient's phone number. Type your message and send it. These features ensure seamless communication for businesses. The voicemail section stores all received voice messages. Here, you can click on a voicemail to listen to the message, view transcriptions if available, assign voicemails to team members, mark messages as resolved when handled. With these features, staying on top of voicemails is simple and efficient. Some industries, such as medical and legal services, still rely on faxes for official documentation. In the Faxes section, you can view incoming and outgoing faxes, download or print fax documents, assign faxes to relevant team members. This makes handling faxes as easy as managing emails. The Team and Direct Chat section provides instant messaging for seamless workplace communication. Direct messages. Engage in private one-on-one chats with colleagues. Group chats. Collaborate with teams or groups. Public groups. Open discussions accessible to anyone within your organization. Protected groups. Invite-only spaces for sensitive or private conversations. Messaging features. Threaded conversations. Keep discussions on topic and organized. Message reactions. Quickly share responses with emojis. Voice notes. Send audio messages instead of typing. With these features, teams can efficiently share ideas, stay connected, and productive. The Contacts tab provides access to company-wide contact lists, one-click calling or messaging directly from the contact list. This section is particularly useful for businesses managing large contact databases. While we won't cover settings in detail, users can explore various options. Key settings are categorized as follows. Calls. Manage active phone lines, call forwarding, and blocked numbers. Messages. Set default SMS numbers, manage text channels, and configure SMS signatures. Faxes. Choose default fax numbers and manage eFax channels. Voicemails. Control voicemail channels. Contacts. Bulk upload and export contacts. Sound and devices. Configure input-output devices for audio and ringtones. Notifications. Adjust alert preferences for calls, messages, and team chats. Theme. Switch between light, dark themes. System. Enable auto-launch and keyboard shortcuts. These customization options allow businesses to tailor the app to their specific needs. That wraps up our overview of the Telebroad Desktop App. With its integrated communication tools, including calls, messaging, voicemails, faxing, and team chats, this platform enhances productivity and streamlines business operations. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment with any questions or feedback. Thank you for watching.